Hello friends, welcome to the General Studies Academy. Today we are going to discuss Agni Prime missile which was recently tested by Defense Research and Development Organization of India. We can also know about the other Agni missiles. Before starting the lecture, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. You can also join our WhatsApp group or a Telegram group. The link of these groups are given in the description. Defense Research and Development Organization of India tested Agni Prime blasting missile from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island. Agni Prime blasting missile is short-range surface-to-surface solid fuel blasting missile. It has a range of 1000 kilometers to 1500 kilometers. It is capable of carrying 1000 kgs payload or a nuclear warhead. Agni Prime is a part of India's strategy to counter China's naval capabilities. Now we will see what are the other Agni missiles. Agni first, it is a medium range blasting missile having range about 800 kilometers. Agni second, it is also a medium range blasting missile having range about 2000 kilometers. Agni third, it is an intermediate range blasting missile having range up to 2500 kilometers. Agni IV, it is also intermediate range blasting missile having range up to 3500 kilometers. It can be launched from a road mobile launcher. Agni fifth, it is an intercontinental blasting missile having range up to 5000 kilometers. Agni 6th, it is also intercontinental blasting missile having range up to 11,000 to 12,000 kilometers. Thank you.